Walsall home buyers, hello and good afternoon. I'm Salek Mir from Ashmore Lettings and Sales. Have I got a really lovely property for you today to show you? This property is for sale on the market in central Walsall. Town centre is approximately about a mile away in that direction over there. And we have the Arboretum Park as well. It's a really good location, probably about a 5-minute walk from the town centre. I'll let the camera person show you the outside of the property. It's a mid-terrace, 1900s build-ish. We'll get the exact date for you. There's some properties that have sold around here, and this one has got great potential. So if you'd like to follow me, and I'll show you around. Entrance hallway has got some Minton-style flooring, which you can see underneath the rug. And then the hallway has got stairs going off the front living room, and this one will go to the rear living room, and there's a door for the cellar as well, which we won't go into today, but there is a cellar there for ample storage. So the front living room has got this beautiful, come on through, beautiful bay window and a feature fireplace. The fire's just been taken out, so anybody coming in can add their own kind of mark to it all. Really good space, good size. All the measurements will be on our website, so you can get an exact feel of how spacious this room really is. Deco's okay, decent standard. There's some picture hooks and stuff on the wall where there used to be some pictures and stuff from the previous tenants. Okay, so this property, tenants were here, it was tenanted, it was rented out for about 20 years plus, 24 years or something I think, don't quote me on that, but it was definitely 20 years plus. So a family lived here, raised their children, who grew the nest and flew from the nest, grew and flew from the nest, and now it's for sale. So it's just perfect for somebody to come in. Properties up and down this street have had some refurbishments done. They've had extensions done. I'll show you the garden in a second, where you'll see some huge potential to be able to do that and expand probably not just the ground floor, but the second floor as well, or first floor rather, or second floor, whichever way you want to look at it. So if you want to come through, and we'll go into the living room, and this is another spacious living area, you can see. The property has got full central heating, mostly centrally heated. There's a couple of radiators that we could do with upstairs, but it's combination boiler, which we'll show you afterwards, and obviously double glazing throughout as well. So this room again is a great space, spacious as you expect from a build of this type of property. Right, and then through here, come through, and we'll go to the kitchen. It's your typical terraced galley style kitchen. You've got your kitchen units, a range of wall and base units on this side, and then along here you've got the inset oven hob and the space for washing machine. This is the space for fridge freezer over here. You can get a tall one in this space. And then the flooring here is tiled all the way throughout. And then through here is your bathroom. Watch the step, nearly fell. Yeah, the bathroom with a bath, shower, separate WC over there, and some storage space as well. Okay. I'll take you through to the garden, and I'll show you what I mean by the potential with this property. Lots of properties on this estate, they've actually done this improvement and added value to the property as well. So you see here, this is the courtyard, and this has the potential where we've seen properties. We'll try and put the links into the videos. Yeah, into the description and the video afterwards. Oh. This is where the bathroom comes out. There's an outhouse over here. which is the potential to be able to knock through if you wanted to expand a bit more. Expanding, I'll just get the camera person to stand out here and I'll show you what I mean. This is the garden, a good space, good size, I'd say about what, 25, 30 feet or so. So if you look back at this from here, what you can do, stand here. Yeah. This whole section can be improved. You can add, other properties on here have had their planning permissions done, expanded and extended, making it into 4-bed, sometimes 5-bed, and even the loft space. If you look at the loft space, some properties, if we look over there, come out over here. If we come out over here, follow me, camera person. And then if we just look at the neighbours' properties, can we zoom in? There we go. See, they've done their lofts. There's Velux windows, skylights you can see, and that one's obviously got one that's sticking out over there. Yeah. So there's potential here, lots of potential with this property. Okay, we've seen, if we go upstairs, I'll quickly show you the property upstairs. Mind your step. Do another step here. Okay, upstairs we go. Right, so one of the first rooms. Kind of neutrally decorated, carpets are in good order. There's a spare roll that they've left behind. Yeah, just in case. Yeah, I'll just step out the way so you can step in and do that side. Again, the measurements will be in the description, also on our website, where there'll be additional pictures and stuff of this property. Are we done? Okay, next room. This is the smallest of the 3 rooms, but I feel it's still a good, you don't get a box room. You can see my arms, I'm about 5'10". You'll see the measurements on there, but you see it's a good space, good length, long ways. And this is what I meant about the radiators. It could do with a couple of extra radiators, but it's not a big deal because there is a combination boiler, and obviously there's central heating here already. There is a bit of storage, which again has the potential, I don't know, this looks like it's a solid wall, probably break in and or make it a bit nicer and put a door in here, make it into a little cupboard. Okay, and finally the 3rd bedroom. This is what we would call the master bedroom. This houses the boiler as well in here, and it's a really good space. Biggest of the 3 bedrooms. So okay guys, I'm going to end the video over here. The tour of the property is finished. If you would like to get in touch with us and want to learn more about this property, there will be contact numbers, emails and stuff on the bottom of this video, so do please get in touch with us and we'll try and answer your questions and try and help you to progress this property to sell if this is what you're interested in doing. So we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much for watching the video. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.